always for the Antarctic tomorrow, remember? Well, we're gonna be there when it sets sail. With a big pile of penguins, we will not rest until every single one of them is put on ice.
Yeah!
Everybody's here? Good. Let us commence Operation Freebird.
Right. One more thing.
Huh?
First, we have to change into our undercover uniforms. Uniforms? Basic black, fun, fashionable, and functional.
I never knew leotards could look so good.
Uh-huh.
Synchronize Medabots.
Right.
We're going in. All right, Metabee, I need a boost.
Or you could use this.
A grappling hook?
I always come prepared.
Right.
Icky, quit showing off.
What?
The door was unlocked. Really?
Come with us, penguins. We're getting you out of here.
You're going back to Antarctica.
Don't be afraid. I am Penguin. You will be safe with me.
This way, guys. We're going out through the sewer.
Don't drink the yellow water now.
All right, penguins, time for...
Huh?
I don't believe this. Where did they go?
The sewer!
Almost there. Once we get to the end of this tunnel, all we've got to do is hop in the dinghy. We're home free.
What? They got away? Well, looky here. It's those metal